Okay, this is the ignition system in our the 1998 model. You're going to see, you can see the plugs, and the plug wire there is a 4-cylinder engine. So we have 4 spark plug with the plug wire. When you look closely, the plug wire connected to the distributor, and here is the hot and cold starter. Those two on top of that hose. So we will have to use photo to show you around. Use lights to illuminate it, so you can see the various coils connected to the distributor coil, and others. So this for a regular D80, but various vehicles have different kinds of distributor, different designs. So these are our D80. Like we know, the distributor help to transfer electric spark to the spark plug. That's electric voltage to spark plug to aid timely combustion of the engine. So that's it for the hoodie. So underneath the spark, this spark plug cables are spark plug. As you can see the cable. It usually has a this cable is insulated. This cover is usually an insulator, but it has a connection that touches this cable and supply current. I'm going to show you that touches this spark plug and supply current. Now you see I've just disassembled the spark plug cover, and you cannot see the cable. So let me try to couple it back. You see it's fixed now. So sorry about the video. Then we have been able to fix it into, so that's how current flows from the distributor down to the spark plug. Yes, so this video is just to show you the connection. Now when you go over here, you see it connected to the other component. All this aid this down to the brain bus, which helps to program, which has the program to engage the right timing of ignition and all that. So that's for the ignition system. Then we'll look at the next vehicle, which is this Toyota Corolla 22 model. It is an EFI engine. As you can see, the spark plug wire, the cover down to this type of distributor, and it's an electrical ignition system. As you can see, this kind of spark plug cover is kind of different. The wire, the connections. So we're going to be looking at the various and other videos just to show you that there are different ignition systems for various vehicles. So this is another design, another configuration. So definitely you cannot entirely understand or come across all type of designs, but with the general and the basic knowledge, you'll be able to solve problems even seeing designs you haven't come across with. So this is the engine, and this is the design. At other classes we're going to talk more about this. Okay, now this is an ML TV20. It's a V6 engine, but with 16 spark plug. Sorry, I said with 12 spark plug. This cylinder has 2 spark plug. It's a 12 cylinder engine V6. So each of them has spark plug, and when you check the connection, you're gonna see that each cylinder has 2 spark plug, making it 6 each on both sides. And when you look through that cable, that's where the spark plug setting down. This is another difference ignition system, and I'll try to put the spark plug wire. You can see this is the spark plug cover holder, as the case may be. And when you look carefully, you're gonna see the conductor. I don't know how we're able to get that, but I'm just trying to point in light into there and see if we can get the interior and look at and know how it look like. Okay, it covers the spark plug. So that's it. So let's take a look. Let me get light and show us what it look like. Okay, now we can see what it look like. Hope you can see this spark plug, that white substance. Okay, it's better. Okay, that's the spark plug down to the piston. So I hope you have seen it. This was it, combustion. Yes, as it kind of tight due to the engine design. Different engine designs, different placement for spark plug, so it's not easy to easily get down there and have a good view. But now we can see it. So I just manage. So okay, that's it for that. And you can now see the various cores, the systems, the cable. I would have shown you other components, but due to the engine design, most of the ignition cores are being placed under the engine, which make it difficult for us to easily get through there. We have to. Okay, now you can see the interior of this cable, almost similar to that of the Audi 80 we just checked, but quite different in materials from that of the Toyota Corolla. But all of them has same function, similar function. So when you know the understand the principle, you can easily solve their problem. So I fixed it. It's kind of quite difficult, but we are able to fix it. You know that this audio recording was done in different time with the video to avoid irrelevant sounds and noise. So let's take a look at the other side of the engine. This is a V6 engine, and see what we've got over the other side. Now where the other side almost similar. Okay. I feel this almost similar to what we saw over there. Okay, now we are going to the other side. Oh, sorry, brother. Now we are at the other side. I think it's just take this engine cover off. so that we can get a view of what they look like. Okay, yes, yeah, it's kind of even more tight for us to get a good view, but we can see clearly. Okay, I think over this way we can see clearly. You can see some of the spark plug core, almost similar structure, just that we have this air filter and airflow system covering from the top, but you can see the various cables. Like I told you, this has two spark plug to a cylinder. That's the type of engine, and would have been able to trace it, but most of the connections in the ignition system are far below the engine, so it's gonna be difficult. So I think with this short video you have been able to get the general overview of the ignition system of the vehicle, how its connection is, and how it can vary. So you don't expect to see similarities in every vehicle. It varies with model, with vehicle brand, with manufacturers, the type of distributors, manual or electrical distributors. All these all varies. So we are going to come to the videos where we are going to deal fix problem on this. Thank you very much.